Hello, creative cooks. Captain Create here. Have you ever gotten bored of drinking water and so you drink sugar-sweetened beverages instead? Well, two things. First, drinking too many sugar-sweetened beverages can be bad for you. And second, water doesn't need to be boring at all. Let me prove it to you with some delicious infused water recipes.
Infused water? What's that?
Great question. Infused water is like water with a twist. Infusing water is when you add things like fruit, vegetables, herbs, and spices, and kind of whatever you want to the water. It's like making your own homemade flavored water.
I love flavored water.
Can't you just imagine the possibilities? Better yet, it's super easy to make, and almost all recipes follow the same basic steps. First, add your water to a large glass or even a pitcher. For most recipes, you want to slice the ingredients so they can add more flavor. Then add any extra herbs or spices. Let it all sit in the water for a while, usually in the fridge for a few hours, overnight or longer, just whatever tastes good. Almost all the ingredients will add their flavor to the water the entire time that they're soaking, so feel free to try the water occasionally to make sure it still tastes good. If the flavor does become too strong, you can pull the ingredients out. You can even eat them, but they probably won't have much flavor left. You can make infused water with whatever ingredients you have on hand. Fresh ingredients will always be better. So let's see what we got. We have blueberries, lemon. Rosemary sounds really good. I won't need to slice the blueberries because they're pretty small as is, but I will definitely need to slice the lemon. You can leave the rind on for the lemon, or you can take it off. Now just add it all to the water. And now we'll let it sit. Once it's been long enough, it's ready to drink. Serve it with ice or not and enjoy it for up to a week. Woo, that's both refreshing and exciting. So what creative infused water recipes will you come up with? Find some tried and true recipes in the links below and never be bored of water again. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Create.